Hi everyone, my name is Sandra. Welcome to my channel. I am the owner and creator here at Midwest Charm. We are a small town boutique in Pine City, Minnesota, right here on Main Street. And we offer repurposed, upcycled home decor and furniture as well as gifts. And today, let me go over. You can find us also on all of our social medias, which are linked below. You can email us at midwestcharm10@gmail.com or find us on our website, which is www.midwestcharm.co, no M. On the website, you can find all of our DIY products, our gift items, and there's a way to contact us if you see something in this video you would like to purchase and have shipped to you, and we will get that done. Today, we are on, I think, part 6 of our series on vignettes, and this is probably my favorite, and I know it's Katie's favorite. Favorite thing to remember when setting up a vignette is to use things in unusual ways. I cannot tell you how many times we've sold things because we've displayed it in an unusual way or made it useful in a way that is not the norm. Let me give you an example. And I have lots of them in the store. The first one I'm going to show you is this glass flower frog. This is something that can be really hard to display. I have a big one over on our cubbies, like back behind some stuff, but these make amazing pen holders, and we just happen to sell these really cute pens that have, why can't I think? They have really cute sayings, motivational sayings, but makes a super cute pen holder. Another item that we have ended up selling a lot of, we sell sage bundles, but I always have one inside of this little cheese mold. And we sell these, we wholesale these in, and we sell these for $9.95. And I can't tell you how many people that buy the sage will buy the bowl because they look really cool together, and it'd be a really neat piece after you're done using it to put it back into your bowl and leave it out, and it looks really cute. We had it styled up with a little piece of silver in there as well. But that is what I mean by unusual. Let me see. I know when me and Katie were going over this, we had a ton of things. Now I'm not finding it. Apparently I needed Katie here today for this one, you guys. I'm trying to see. Why am I not finding it? Give me a minute. I'm going to go look for some and bring them out. Another unusual item is we use our wine racks and display our rolling pins in them. And those always sell, the racks as well as the rolling pins. And let me move this. Do you see this old, rusty, crusty, beautiful wood-handled tea kettle? We have it as a planter. And I'm telling you, so many things can be a planter. This cake pan, this copper cake pan, makes a beautiful wall hanging. Books make great risers. Pitchers can hold greenery, obviously, but also wood tones look really good in the white pitchers. So you will see us using greenery mixed in with those white pitchers as well, just like we do here. Here's a great example of using something cleverly. We have these old cheese graters. They're rusty, crusty. Nobody's going to use them. We have stuffed this one. This is our Father's Day one. I know you can't see it. It needs like fluffed, but there is an old measuring tape in there and our old rasp, but we've also hung a Minnesota Wild towel on it. But you can also do it. This one's got a butterfly with a wooden spoon and a mini rolling pin. Here's an old cutting board with a transfer on it, or an old window made into art. Another thing we have done is taken these little tins and made them into magnets. We've just painted the inside, applied a transfer. I also have more over here. And that's just a cute little use, as well as these old frames. I just painted the front and then added the transfer. Don't be afraid to use a vase as something different than a vase. This one here makes a cute little riser by adding a little nest to it and a little bird. And we've also done the same over here with candlestick holders by adding something to the top of them. And it doesn't have to be a nest. You can add a bowl or something similar. And like I said, almost anything can be a planter. This milk glass dish, sugar dish, would be a cute little planter for a succulent or a tiny plant. Another one of our favorite way to display our little soap pumps is to add them into these old pans. And we have sold so many sets of the soap pumps and lotion pumps by just putting them in a little vintage pan. And they work great on a counter and keeps them contained. Here is a cheese cloche with a little, this is actually lights, LED lights that were just wrapped up with a bird in them, and it makes a really cute display. We've got a few good uses in here. We have our book stack as a riser, an old wooden hand-carved spoon to hold a little bird, and the trinket dish is holding the spoon. And trinket dishes can, again, be pretty much anything. This mold here, we just have some old glass tops on it, kind of flattens them out, and you can use it to put things on them as a riser. So using old plates or books as risers and just using things in ways you wouldn't normally see them used just really intrigues people and brings them to that item to pick up. And our goal is to get them to pick that up and make that purchase. So if you have that uniquely displayed used item, you will definitely get people grabbing at it and picking it up and saying, how cool is that? That I want to do. So make sure you are including that in with our other tips we have gone over, which is color matching, odd numbers, varying heights, textures, grouping like items, and then today's was unusual uses. If you like this kind of content or know someone who does, make sure you share it with them. Like our video below, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all those things. It really does help our small business. And we will see you all next time. Bye.